Hey friends, if you love junk journaling, mixed media, collage, or any other type of paper crafting, you are going to love these mystery kits. Along with a good surprise, each bundle is thoughtfully curated with a mix of ephemera, textiles, and creative goodies to spark your inspiration. And just like my larger kits, these are basically the same. They're just a little smaller. The covers are just a little smaller. The dimensions are going to be in the description box below. Just a quick note though, what you're seeing here is an example of what can be included. Some elements may be similar, but every single pack is unique. There's not going to be any two exactly the same. Most of them are going to be 2 signatures. You're going to see this one actually has 3 because it has less pages. That's part of the magic. You never know what treasures you're going to get, but it's always going to be something special. It's going to be cool, and they're all going to be worth the same. All right. So if you have any questions or comments, throw them at me, and I'll be more than happy to take care of you. Until then, happy creating.